everyone, Mr. Allen here for our final golden ticket assembly of this half term for nursery reception year 1 and year 2, and it's Friday the 5th of February, and really well done to all of those children working so hard this week. No golden ticket assembly next week. We've got presentation assembly next week, so watch out next Friday for those assemblies, because some amazing certificate going, some amazing work that's gone on throughout this half term, right? So no shout outs, no golden tickets, just presentation assembly, so do look out for this. But we've got this morning amazing children who have won themselves a golden ticket. You're not going to see a great deal of me this morning, because what I'm going to do, I'm just going to film those slides and you can see those children nice and close up. And we're kicking off this morning in nursery. Starting off this morning, obviously, in nursery. We've got this child has been practicing writing his name. He shows a can-do attitude, working hard every week with a big smile on his face. And we've got another child who's been working hard, crafting, singing songs and completing lots of home learning challenges. Great work, both of you. Go to Archie and Phoenix. Well done, Archie. Well done, Phoenix. You absolute superstars. Golden tickets winging their way to you in the post. Well done. Look at that big smile on Archie's face. And Phoenix, thank you, guys. It just really makes me smile, and it's fantastic to see you guys working so hard at home. Well done, nursery children. Well done, Archie, and well done, Phoenix. And look out for those golden tickets, you superstar. Moving on, we're going in now, look at this, to Turtle Grass, and this child has worked so hard in phonics over this half term, and I'm really pleased to award them the golden ticket. I should think so too. Really well done to Thomas. Here he is, Thomas. Okay, trying to guess the things were in front of him there back in school, where he's being blindfolded and having to guess what are the objects, what are they made of, what are they doing. But Thomas, absolutely superb, buddy. You have worked so hard, and with your writing as well this week that I saw, and you writing your name, it's absolutely amazing. So really well done, buddy. Enjoy your golden ticket, you absolute superstar. I'm so proud of you. Well done. Moving on to Sharks. Let's have a look at Sharks. Look at that. This child has been working so hard at home and completing all the tasks. It's been lovely to hear and see how hard he is working with Mrs. Barnes on his phonics. Well done, Mason. Keep up the good work. Yes, it is, Mason. Well done, Mason. You absolute superstar. Fantastic. Doing those one-to-one sessions with Miss Barnes online as well. It's really good to keep up your learning, but really congratulations, Mason. Keep working so hard at home. It's really impressive. I'm so proud of you, and look out for that golden ticket, you superstar. Moving on. Here we go. We've got Miss Marshall saying that this winner puts a smile on everyone's face. They certainly do. They are polite and kind to others. They've been working so hard at home and reading every day. They certainly have. Golden ticket goes to Ava. Well done, Ava. You absolute superstar. Keep it up. Keep working so hard. Well deserved, hun. You absolutely working on your sounds, getting everything. You superstar. Well deserved. Look out for that golden ticket winging its way in the post. I am so proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself. Keep it up. Well done. Moving on to Miss Begum's class now. Miss Begum says this child is working hard every day and upload their work daily onto Tapestry. They're reading lots and improving every day. In maths, they represent numbers in a creative way, and they're taking great care with their work, and it's always neat and tidy. It really is. Golden ticket goes to Viteris. Well done, Viteris, you superstar. Well done, mate. It's working so hard. You've got to keep that up, okay, because it's fantastic. And such a well-deserved golden ticket. Well done. Keep doing that. You are doing so much every day. I'm really proud of you. Well done, buddy. Keep it up. Moving on. We go, Miss Hawkins saying this child has uploaded work every day since school has closed. She's completed the phonics work and maths work so carefully and with beautiful presentation. She's tried so hard and hasn't given up when she's found things tricky. Esme's mum has also been fantastic teaching Esme. In the videos we can hear Mum explaining so clearly and ask Esme to explain how she knows when telling the time. Mum, you superstar. Obviously, golden ticket goes to Esme. Well done, Esme, you superstar. It is amazing the amount of work. You are working so hard. Miss Hawkins is so impressed, as am I. Keep it up, hun. Really well done. And thank you, Mum. You absolute superstar. Good teaching there. It's lovely to hear. So really well done, Esme. And well deserved. Look out for this golden ticket coming in the post, you superstar. Moving on, we got Mrs. Cook finally. So this child has worked consistently hard this term and always with a big smile on their face. They've posted videos of them reading and telling stories and tried to complete the work as best they can. They really have, and it's fantastic, and it puts a big smile on my face. The winner is Gabby. Well done, Gabby, you absolute superstar. Honestly, You are a superstar. Look at that smile. It just makes my heart melt. You absolute superstar. Making everyone smile. So well done, Gabby. Lovely to see so many posts of you. So much work you are doing. So well done, Gabby. Look out for the golden tickets winging its way in the post to you. You well deserved. Well done, man. Right, well done everyone. What a brilliant set of golden ticket winners. What a fantastic week. Well done everyone. Thank you so much. Moving on, obviously next week we've got presentation assemblies next week. No golden ticket next week, just presentation assemblies, so look out for that. Look out to see if you won yourself a certificate, because it'll be lovely to see. I know lots and lots will be getting certificates, so look out for those assemblies next Friday, and I'm really excited and looking forward to doing those as well. Finally, obviously, thank you again for staying home, protecting Marcross, and helping to keep everyone safe. Until next week, everyone, in presentation assemblies, stay safe and see you then. Bye-bye now.